Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a Heathen Flip mission in Skate 4. So what we'll need to do is basically do a kickflip right here. So crouch a little bit and then do kickflip. So let's restart it. Like this. Then do front flip. Then try to aim it near to the ramps because you need to do a Christ ear to do everything all above in one attempt. So let's try it again. As you can see, we did Christ ear, so try to land it that smoothly and you will be good to go. So first of all, kick flip, then front flip, and after that, Christ ear. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching.